Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome to Banking Help SA. This is how to make an immediate payment on the FNB app. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. Start by opening the FNB app and signing into your account. From the home screen, select Pay. Next, select Pay again. From here, choose Instant Payment. Then select the account you want to pay from. After that, enter the recipient name, card number, payment amount, and your payment references. If you want to send proof of payment, turn on the Send Proof of Payment option. Once that's done, select Continue. From here, review all the payment details carefully and confirm the transaction. You may be asked to approve the payment using your FNB app verification or OTP. Once the payment is successful, FNB will automatically send the proof of payment to your registered phone number or email address, and the money should reflect in the recipient's account within minutes. And that is it. That's how to make an immediate payment on the FNB app. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Goodbye.